Hello and welcome to Lost Levels unboxing of Marvel Collector Corps Deadpool. This is the February 2016, the latest one for them. Thanks for watching all of our unboxing videos. We really appreciate that. So that's why we continue doing them. So this month is Deadpool. As you can see, you got his eyes staring at you. On the side it says Marvel's Collector Corps Deadpool. So why don't we open the box and see what's inside. As always, we have the great comic art lining the box. And as always, as well, we also have the patch and the button. This month is Deadpool. Pretty cool. And what do we have inside? Looks like a nice Deadpool shirt. Deadpool comic, variant edition, Deadpool #1. Let's see here. Oh, so as always, we have the pop exclusive for Deadpool. Looks like he is kind of jumping or lunging. Actually, that's really cool. I like that a lot. So he has this kind of pose. In case you can't really see it really well from inside the box. Oh, nice. I like how they have the different variations, like a rubber chicken, the pirate, thumbs up. That's awesome. So, really like the vinyl. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh, very cool. Mobies plush, Deadpool. What are these orbs? And I got, looks like there's various ones. This is the cowboy version. They also have a chef and a pirate hat one. This is this exclusive to the Collector's Corps, so that's very cool. Alright, so that's what's inside the box. Yeah, pretty solid month here. Let's see. Line those up a little bit. And let's see what the shirt looks like. Ornate black t-shirt. So that's the t-shirt for the Marvel Corps this month. Very nice. Maybe wear that for one of the days of C2E2, which is Chicago Comic-Con coming up in March. Excited for that. So really appreciate you guys watching. Hope you enjoyed our unboxing of the Marvel Corps for Deadpool. Definitely going to do slay this. This is really cool. So thanks again for watching. Watch our other unboxings. We'd really appreciate it, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you.